Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 15th, 2015, and today is Monday morning. So looking at the markets today, two economic calendar news that is coming out today. There is a CAD number coming out at 2:30 South African time, and then the ECB president for the Euro will be speaking at 3 o'clock South African time. So that should be kind of interesting. So let's see what these numbers actually do today. Looking at the euro right here, we gapped down from 1280-ish to 1215. That's about a 60-point decline in the euro USD as we speak about it. Looking at a daily chart, how big of an effect is that? As we said, it's making these humps at 1114-ish level, just shy of it, and it broke down. So the question is this breakdown valid? Are we going to break this level down here? Let's see right here. Let's see. Are we going to break this level right here where I have? Let's make this bigger so you can see. Is it going to break this 1111? Okay, or is it going to hold it? That's the question of the day. So let's see how Draghi speaks about this today. I really have this in front of me today to see what's going on with Draghi speaking, and then you could either buy it at the support line here and put a stop loss right underneath it, or just maybe chase it down a little bit and short it a little bit as we go into the number, as we go into him speaking. In either case, or you could just wait it out and see what comes out afterwards. But in either case, it should be kind of interesting how this develops right here. Looking at the GBP USD, we're rallying right back. As you can see here on a daily chart, we had a rally and then we retraced, and now we're back up. So this is a little bit of a resistance level, I would say, up here, 155-ish level. So I'd really like to see how these two play out, the GBP and the USD and the Euro USD against each other. See if which one's going to break out first. Looking at the Dow Jones, we had a monster day down. And this is what is to be expected at this level in the Dow Jones. It doesn't seem like we're going to hit 18,500, and it does seem like we're going into a little bit of a trading range until we're going to break down on the downside. And let's see if we're really going to rally right back up. That's the question of the day. I hope they'll give us another opportunity to just give it one more time. The bulls give us one more time to try this, break this 18,300. So I'd like to see if we're going to, this week sometime, are we going to bounce and try to catch this 18,000 again and maybe 18,300. At this level, we're trading at 17,827. So about 500 points shy of our all-time highs. Now, I mean, 500 points in an 18,000 point market is not that big, but 500 points is a very big number for the Dow Jones. So, as you can see here, seldom have we gotten to such a constraint like this, like we are right now. You have it a little bit here, and this is where the market kind of turned around. So, keep an eye on it. I would definitely look for opportunities to trade it and see how it develops. Looking at the oil, like we said, is trading in a range here. As you can see here, every time we hit 61, we come right back down. And right now we're in the middle. So keep an eye on this to see if it's going to test our lows again, or is it going to continue trading in this range. Very similar to the euro, okay, the oil. So I'd keep an eye versus the euro versus the oil and see how that develops. Looking at gold, gold's pretty much flatlined here, so if you're a big gold trader, you really don't have much to do here. I mean, we're at the bottom of the range, or we're pretty much in a very, very tight range over the past couple of days, as you can see here. So until it shows me something that's going to break out either on the upside or the downside, got to keep an eye on it. Looking at the USD Rand, they had this big sell-off this morning. I'm not sure if this is a real number or if this is maybe a tape, but in all fairness, we did retrace a little bit. I do expect a little bit more selling off, and maybe we could hit this 1219 level. So I would keep an eye on that as well. USD CAD, with the CAD number coming out later today, we kind of had this neckline right here where we broke it, and now we're testing the next line at 122.61. Now the question is are we going to challenge this 124 level again? My guess is that we are. On the upside, we will potentially challenge this level, and if we do, I would suggest shorting it, just because technically speaking, we're going to be hitting what was a very strong support previously and now anticipated resistance. So that would be a opportunity right there for you to take advantage of. And those are some of the highlights today. Stay tuned for some more coming up this week. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.